Shall I finally tell you what the missing link is? The reason why so many people get in trouble recording their videos, even if they have written a script? It's something almost everybody skips. And if you don't skip it, if you just do it, you will never be at a loss for words in front of the camera again. My name is Elizabeth. I'm from Top of Mind Video Marketing. In a world full of invisible entrepreneurs, your own smartphone is enough to create a stage right in front of the people you want to reach the most. So subscribe to this channel because I will help you make your company and your products visible to your target group. You might think it's easy for me to record a video because I've made literally hundreds of videos. But I've only been able to do that because I have this phase between writing the script and actually recording the video. I have something I do before I even print the script. It used to be a secret, but I'm going to tell you now. I practice. Before I print my script, I read it out loud. That's when I notice if what I've written is any good and if it makes sense. Do you practice before you record a video? Let me know in the comments below. If I don't practice, lots of things go horribly wrong. There's always sentences in my script I just cannot say. There's always bits in my script that I just cannot say out loud, no matter how hard or how often I try. Or while I'm speaking, I'm still translating written text to spoken text, because written down it looked really good, but when I say it out loud it sounds really weird. I can't do that when I'm also recording the video, so I have to do that beforehand. So if I skip that part, I come home with hours of recorded video because I had to restart every line over and over again. And I'm also cranky and irritated. And the video, it's a bit disappointing, a bit meh. It's not as good as usual. And the video I was making, it's just not as good as usual. You can avoid all that misery by just taking 10 minutes before you start filming and reading through your script out loud. Then you can still easily adjust the bits that don't sound right or don't make any sense after all. I'll bet you'll be done in no time with the filming, because a good video is mostly made with invisible work, and the rest, the filming and the editing, is then just a breeze. How do you record your videos? Do you record your videos with a script and find it difficult? Then watch the following video, because in it I will explain how I approach it. And it works, not just for me, but for all my students. I'll see you there.